Juggling bills and loan repayments got you feeling overwhelmed. Let's simplify one thing right now: making a payment on your Wallet Wizard account. First, head over to the Wallet Wizard website. You can do this on your computer, tablet, or right from your smartphone. Just type Wallet Wizard into your preferred search engine and click on the official link. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login or My Account button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your details, use the forgot password or forgot username links to recover them. Security is key, so make sure you're on a secure network before logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you'll find all the important information about your loan, including the payment due date and the amount you need to pay. Take note of these details. Exceeding your payment period can attract late payment fees. Now, let's explore the payment methods. Wallet Wizard typically offers several options, and you'll find them listed on the payment page. This often includes direct debit, which is the simplest and most convenient method. You will need to set this up, which involves simply imputing your bank account details. Alternatively, credit or debit card payments are also an option. You also have the option to make a direct debit payment manually. This will involve logging into your internet banking and sending a payment into Wallet Wizard's nominated bank account. Make sure to include your customer identification (CID) so Wallet Wizard correctly applies your payment. Remember, it's crucial to make your payment by the due date. Setting up payment reminders can prevent late fees and keep your Wallet Wizard account in good standing. Consistent on-time payments also contribute positively to your credit score. And that's it. Successfully making your Wallet Wizard payment is one step closer to financial peace of mind. Take charge of your finances, stay informed about your loan details, and enjoy the convenience of online payments.